Are you tired of coming home to a messy and disorganized house? Do you feel overwhelmed by the thought of cleaning it all up? Let our cleaning service take care of it for you. Our team of experienced cleaners are here to provide you with a top-notch cleaning service that will leave your home sparkling clean. We use only the best cleaning equipment and products to ensure that your home is not only clean but also safe for you and your family. Our cleaning service includes a thorough cleaning of your kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms, and living spaces. At the end of the day, we know you want to come home to a clean and organized house that you can be proud of. Contact us today to schedule your cleaning service and take the first step towards a cleaner and happier home. Freshen up your space with a splash of lemon.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are the chosen team. Give us a call today at one of the numbers listed below.